Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Citadel Securities easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Citadel Securities website. Locate the register or sign up button on the home page. Click the button to be directed to the registration page. Fill in your personal information as prompted. Provide your full name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password following the website's guidelines. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. After filling out the necessary fields, click on the Submit button. Check your email for a verification link sent by Citadel Securities. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the website and log in. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. You may be asked to provide additional information during your first login. Follow the prompts to complete any remaining setup requirements. After setting up your account, you will have access to Citadel Securities services. Take a moment to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Make sure to log out of your account after your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.